Hey, I'm Chris from Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com and LiftChairUSA.com. This is the brand new Viva Radiance PLR 3955 PW. So this is petite wide. So for a small person that's a little bit wider, this is the chair for them. Comes in 4 colors. As you see, we got ocean, walnut, silt. We'll show you that. Unboxing. You need 2 people. You know, you can do it one person. Someone's a little bit younger. And they all come a little bit different in the box, so we figured we'd shoot videos of all of them. As you open this, even though this is the right side up, your manual's in here. It'll tell you about these little things that you're supposed to add. And then you have your serial number. So this is just the manual. Keep that. And what you can do is, there's a lot of ways you can do this. We can cut the front down right here, which I'll have Scott come in. This is Scott, everybody. He does our power access ramps, elevators, stair lifts, helps with deliveries, grab bars, ceiling track systems, basically do it all. So that's Scott. We're gonna lay this down. It should be a pretty wide chair, which is fine. And this is in the steel. Awesome. So all 4 colors right now on the display floor. We're gonna pull this right out. This is kind of heavy because it has the heat and the lumbar and the power pillow. And inside of here too, it's gonna be the back side thing. So we're gonna get that out. Make sure there's nothing left in this box. There's not. We're gonna slide this to the side. Hey, help me pick this up real quick. It's been a long day. A lot of unboxing videos. Try to knock all these out today. Besides how busy we stay, we try to do these videos as much as we can. It's just almost impossible. I don't know how anybody can do a lot of videos because phones ring, people come in. We just got lucky it's rainy, so we figured we'd do some unboxing videos. So you're going to pull all these cords out, but I need to take that off for just a second, Scott. I'm going to pull this up, okay, guys? Underneath here, you see 2 motors. All you're going to do is serial number also. Serial numbers everywhere. Pull these out. This will be for your transformer hookup, which is going to be in this bag. You can use regular scissors. Just cut this bag off. Pull this out. Open this. Your transformer with your lithium-ion battery backup. This thing will operate this chair a bunch. One thing I would suggest is going ahead and plugging this to charge up. That's your battery. So go ahead and put this on the charger so this charges up overnight when that light's green. I would use it. If you can do that, I would suggest doing that to save you some money and it'll make the battery last longer. So we'll throw that on the battery. And also inside of here in the manual, it shows you exactly where these go. So I'm not going to point this out too much, but you just, when you put the back on, this kind of keeps it from a little bit better from coming apart. And then you're going to have your remote, which they just did they did a change to this remote. They made it better with a rocker switch. This is real nice rubber fill. You got heat, so you have a low heat, high heat, headrest, lumbar, total control of the chair. This adjusts the back up separate than the feet. This does it all together. And this adjusts the feet separate than the back. And then you have your memory button. So you press M1 when you get it there, set it to how you like it, USB charging port. So with this, what you do, hey J-Dog, you want to grab that box and move it out the way? Bring it back down, 24 inches between the arms. I think it's the 19-inch seat height, floor to seat height. We'll do another video. Lay this right here, it shows you how to do it. Take this black cord, 5-prong, go ahead and connect it right here. Boom. And then you have, that's for your heat and massage. We're going to bring the back, put it on. That's for your transformer. So when the back comes on, you connect the rest of this. So kind of lay these to the side. Drop it on there. Nothing's light. Stuff being light. This comes in 4 different sizes: small, wide, tall. Connect the yellow to the headrest, like so. Make sure you're doing it right. Sometimes I do it wrong. Take your time, I'm kind of doing this fast. It's a great chair, it really is. We sold a lot of them actually, just came out. It's, I think it's a chair we'll definitely keep in our inventory. Can't get these really wrong. Heating pad, you got heat in the seat, heat in the back. Independent controls, laid into a sleep. Call me if you have questions. So, last thing we have to do, this is like a Velcro, is grab my backs. Where's my assistant? He must be sleeping in a chair because where's he at? There he is. Yep, he was sleeping. This has 2 on it. There's Tommy over there. Connect it down. Boom. Look how pretty this is. New color. Feels great. Soft. Canyon material. I'm going to charge this up before this operates, but I have some more of these so we get these going. And now we're going to slide it. Help me pick it up. We're going to move it over here. 2, 3. And put it right down. And boom, here's all 4 sizes, here's all 4 colors. You have this comes out, that's your wireless charging port, cup holder, lithium ion backup, or it has a backup battery, so it gives you a lot more ups and downs. Power lumbar, power head. Which one's turned on? So this is the small wide. Let me run through these specs while I have them. It's a long video, just stay with us, there's chapters. So this is the PLR 3955PW, true infinite position chair with lace or chase lounge. What that means is when this is up, stay with me, Andre, you know I'm quick. That's what that chase is. This is silt. It's a great video if you're looking for a chair. It really is a great chair. You can do, there's so much you can do. It's really at a good price, especially with the heat. People are looking for heat, lumbar, power pillow, different sizes. The only thing we don't have is like a waterproof fabric with this chair yet, but we're going to get it. 400-pound weight capacity for all 4 of these. This one's for someone 5'4" and below. Between the arms, 24 inches. Seat, the top of back, 23 inches. Seat depth, 18 inches. And seat, or from floor to seat, is 19.5 inches. This is in steel. Power lumbar, power headrest, independent controls, they all have it. Heat, low heat, high heat, and you have your USB charging port right here. It's an awesome chair. If you're looking for a chair, you can't make up your mind. The Twilight's the best chair in the world. It takes forever to get. So over here is your small. This is an ocean. Obviously, you can get it in that color, this color, or even that color. This is the PLR 3955S. This is recommended for someone 5'4" and below. It's a 400-pound weight capacity. Between the arms is 20 inches. The seat, the floor height on this unit, this is in the up position, which this is the best way to get into a chair, in the up position, so you don't fall into it. But the seat to floor from here to here on this chair is going to be 18 inches. And again, this also has the cup holder and the wireless charging port with the USB, the heat, the low heat, the high heat, the headrest that moves, the lumbar for your back, total control of the chair, independent controls with the feet in the back when it's down. Has a sensor, I guess. And then over here, you're going to have your medium in walnut. You can get it in the ocean, the steel, or the silt. Same remote, same stuff. If you have any questions, if you need a video done just on certain things, just let us know. Give us a call, send us an email, make a comment. We love doing videos for people. So the specs on this: 400-pound weight capacity, 5'4" to 6 foot, 21 inches from the floor to the seat height. 19.5 inches from the floor to the top of the seat, 21-inch seat depth, 22 seat width, and 28 inches from here to here. So, and then over here is the big boy. It's the tall. This is for like a Scott or Andre. They're both like 6'4", 6'5", and 5'9" on my license. So this is again the 3955 LT. Why are you laughing? I am. 400-pound weight capacity. This is a large tall, so someone 6 foot and above. So we're showing you how the feet's up on this, so you can adjust the feet down. I mean, it still rotates a little bit, but it's a 2-motor, and then you have a lumbar and power pillow. The seat, the back, go forward. You can lay this completely flat. You want to slide this out just real quick for me? From here to here on this unit is 21.5 of this one. And the seat depth, 2 inches. Seat width, 23.5 inches. And from here to here is 31 inches. So look, what I'm saying, you can lay these flat, and I'm kind of jumping. Check the chapters out if you don't need to see all this. There's unboxing videos in the descriptions. Go to a link to the website where to purchase. You can call us. Right now, they currently have these in stock. We're shipping quick. We shipped a couple to, I think 2 to New York. We have a couple people buying them here. But you can lay this back. Now, the only drawback, and I like to be honest, is if you lay this completely flat. Now, this gets your feet up above your heart in this position. The only drawback you really need to know about, and I just like to be honest, if this does have a little bit of a wide opening. If you have it all the way back now, all the way back, you might have to put like a little pillow or something if that's going to bother you. It might not. But a lot of people don't go this far back all the time in this chair. This would be like a resting to get your feet above your heart. So that's the only drawback with Pride chairs and their Viva lines. Besides that, they've done a lot of cool stuff. There's a nice stitch to it. But if out of all the Vivas, I would stick with this one. I mean, I really would. So that's it. Petite, small, wide, small, medium, large, all 4 colors. Call me if you have any questions. 803-926-2224, or go online at affordablemedicalusa.com.